Mode of action of miRNA. There are three different types of mode of action of miRNA. They are called as miRNA degradation, transcriptional regulation, and translational regulation. So miRNA function in three different ways, or it regulate the gene expression in three different ways. Either it degrades the messenger RNA, or it regulate the transcription or regulate the translation of the genes. This is the structure of miRNA at nucleotide level. There are different regions. This region is called as loop. This is extension, microRNA, and pre-extension region. So these are different regions of the miRNA at nucleotide level, and these are the sequences of, or the nucleotide sequence of a typical miRNA. How miRNA binds to the target, to the messenger RNA, and degrades it. This is the view that how miRNA, this is miRNA, mature miRNA, and this is the messenger RNA, means the target of the miRNA. So this is the binding between the strands of miRNA and messenger RNA. So here is another binding, and here are the bulges. One bulge is here and one bulge is here, mean where there is no correspondence or identity between the nucleotides of both the strand of miRNA and strand of messenger RNA. The first mode of action of miRNA, that is mRNA degradation, that is usually seen in the plants. In this mode of action, the messenger RNA that has been produced from the genes, that messenger RNA with the help of complex RISC that degrades the messenger RNA. So this was the messenger RNA that was produced from the plant genes, and that messenger RNA is degraded by the action of miRNA along with RISC. So the messenger RNA is here degraded. So this is the first mode of action of miRNA. Second mode of action of miRNA is in the form of translational regulation. So in this case, usually it is seen in the animals that there is a regulation about the translation of the proteins. Once the RISC complex attaches to the messenger RNA, then it do not allow to produce the protein from the messenger RNA. So in this way, the miRNA controls the translation in the animals. The third mode of action of miRNA is in the form of transcriptional regulation. Transcription is the production of RNA from the DNA. This mode of action is usually seen in yeast, plants, and sometimes it is also seen in the animals. In this case, there is the active chromatin. Once the RISC complex attaches to the active chromatin, there is the histone methylation, and ultimately the active chromatin is converted into the silent form. So in this way, miRNA, it controls the transcriptional regulation, or it acts that how it has to control the transcription of the genes. If we see the schematic illustration of genomic organization and structures of miRNA genes, means where are the miRNA genes on the genomes. miRNA genes can be present within the coding transcription unit. So this is the coding transcription unit, and the genes, they can be present at this location. Intronic miRNA in non-coding transcription units, they can be in the non-coding transcription units. Here are the non-coding transcription units, and there can be the genes for the miRNA. Genes for the miRNA can also present in miRNA in coding transcription units. So here is the coding transcription unit that is present within the exon, and miRNA can be produced from this exonic or the coding transcription unit. The fourth type is exonic miRNA in non-coding transcription unit. Although here is the a non-coding transcription unit, that is the exon, but here is non-coding transcription unit. So here is the exonic miRNAs. So these are the genomic organization and structures of the miRNA genes. They can be present in the coding transcription unit. They can be present in the non-coding transcription unit. They can be present in the coding transcription unit, and they can be present in the non-coding transcription units. Here in this diagram, we can see the mechanism of the miRSC mediated repression. This is the messenger RNA. To this messenger RNA, miRSC attaches. That how it controls the regulation of the expression of the genes. So it can be in the form of, once the miRSC attaches to the messenger RNA, it can block the circularization. In another method, it can compete for ELF6 or 60S ribosomal sequences. In another way, it can compete for the cap binding site. On the other hand, miRSC attaches to the messenger RNA, it can promote the degradation of the messenger RNA. And here, once it attaches to the messenger RNA, it can help to drop off the ribosomes. So these are different methods that how mechanism of miRSC mediated repression is controlled by the miRNAs, or these are different modes of action of miRNA. So if we conclude what are different modes of action of miRNA, there are three main modes of action of miRNA. They can be messenger RNA degradation, it can be transcriptional regulation, and it can be in the form of translational regulation.